So when we turn right, there's 2 lanes and we're gonna go in lane 2 on the right side, okay?
Okay.
Because next roundabout is the signal control roundabout and we are turning right, 3rd exit. We're gonna go towards airport. Have you done signal control roundabout before?
Once, but I made a mistake.
Or we're gonna
I
do
think
it
it was this one.
today? We're gonna do it again.
Yeah. So when I turn in, I stay on the right hand lane.
Yeah, there's 2 lanes, yeah? So we're gonna remain on the right
lane.
because it's a pre-planning for the right turn.
Okay.
If we remain on the left, then we're gonna, on the roundabout, we go to the left and we change lane. But if we remain on the right, it's a pre-position for your right turn, okay? So look at the floor arrow here, nice and slow. And we're gonna need to be close with this arrow in this lane. Yeah, and go. That's good. So next roundabout is the signal control roundabout. We are turning right, 3rd exit. And we are following the sign for Skipton A65. Which way we going?
Right.
Okay, so we need to signal.
So, which exit?
3rd.
3rd exit.
So you count your exit, you look, and then it's a signal control. How are we gonna do the signal control roundabout? Can you explain to me?
We'll be checking the signal light. Wherever it says stop, you need to stop. So when I'm at the point of exit, I need to look at my mirrors, left mirror, and position at the left hand side.
Yes.
Because
good.
I'm going to exit. Because the last
Good.
time, I think I was slant.
Yeah,
like
you went
this, and
in
I
2
blocked.
lanes. Yeah, you went in 2 lanes.
Yeah.
There was 2 lanes, and you were in between, in middle, on the middle line.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is the danger if we go in the 2 lanes?
I'll be disrupting other road users, especially the people who are going right.
But if they are in that lane, can we hit them if we go and toward them?
Yeah. And they can even hit us.
Yeah. So remaining in our own lane, what is the benefit?
Yeah, we are in our lane.
Safe. We safe. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So then exit.
So when you come here, just assess your exits. Can you show me which exit you're gonna land in?
That one.
Which
So
one?
this is 1, that's 2.
Yeah, that's the 3rd there,
yes,
up there.
That one. Yeah.
That's towards airport, okay?
Yeah. So
First one toward Kirkstall, second Bradford. If we go in there, you're gonna go towards Bradford. If you go there, it's the airport, okay? Here, you go back to lead Kirkstall. Can you see the sign there?
Yeah.
Left one. But if you go ahead, you go toward Bradford then. And after 10-15 minutes, you just go in Bradford then. You go straight on 50 speed. And here, if you go turn right, you go towards airport. And
So I'll be inside.
Yeah.
One. Then when I'm approaching the second one, I check my left mirror, center left, quickly signal left.
Yes.
Position on the left. Okay.
Yeah, nice and slow. We go to the inner circle behind silver car, nice and slow here.
Yeah.
And now we signal left and come in lane 1 here. That's fine, good. This position is fine, better than before, okay?
Yeah.
Last time you were there, yeah, and you went in lane 2. Let's go.
Okay.
Our light is green. Keep it on the left and go. Check your mirrors here. It's fine and go.
Yeah. 40.
Good.
Speed cameras. Oh, I'm happy that I'm checking my speed.
Yeah. Can you see the speed in screen?
Not even the screen. I saw it on
the road.
Yeah, on the road.
Yes.
At the entrance was there.
Always check on road. Don't rely.
I know. Yeah.
Don't rely on sat-nav. Don't rely in the car speed. Okay. They could be wrong.
Yeah. Sometimes it's wrong.
Most of the time they are wrong.
Yeah.
But the fact is, like, you need to see on the road. They're
40.
always correct on the road, okay? That's why when we start the test route, we tell you follow the road sign and floor marking.
So I can see there's a cyclist lane on my left, so I need to make sure that